Printing documents in Word is easy. You'll find everything you need in the Backstage view under Print. As you can see, the Print pane offers a list of options and a preview of the document on the right. You can use the controls below the preview to zoom in and out, or switch between different pages. Now, you could just enter the number of copies you want and click the print button right away. But if you want more control over the finished product, you might want to take a look at the options below. For example, if your computer is connected to multiple printers, you can choose the one you want. You can also choose a custom print range if you're working with a multi-page document and you only want to print certain pages. Just enter the page numbers you want, separating each entry with a comma. In this example, we're printing pages 1, 3, 4, and 5, but excluding page 2. Next, choose whether to print on one side of the paper or both sides. Your options may vary here depending on your printer's capabilities. Here's another option that may be important to you if you're printing a multi-page document. If you're doing more than one copy, make sure that collated is selected. That way, each copy will be printed in order. Next, you can review options that have to do with page layout, including page orientation, paper size, and margins. If you need to make any adjustments, just click, then make your selections from the menu. Let's try narrow margins. See how they were updated in our print preview after making this change? Word also gives you the option of printing more than one page on a single sheet of paper. This can be helpful in some cases, but note that the text will become harder and harder to read the more pages you include. When you're ready, go ahead and click the print button. Alternatively, you can save time using something called the Quick Print command, which prints your document using the default settings and the default printer. You'll just need to add it to your quick access toolbar first. Let's go back to our document. And I'll click the small arrow here and choose Quick Print. And now you can quickly print your entire document in a single click.